Okay, here was another picture I was in the running for Diane Arbus picture. Um, the original crop was kind of big. I found him climbing up coming up the street, and I saw him, and I was like, "That's my guy right there," because I was just waiting. Like they say, streetcar will come by, and you'll see something else. So I cropped it in, rotated the aspect of the picture, cropped in a little bit more, and that's what I kind of liked. I liked him looking at me. Uh, then I went to do the editing. I didn't really do much about the temperature. Well, I did the temperature a little bit. The original was 5250, and I moved it up to 5900. Make it. I like it a little bit warmer. Uh, then the exposure. It was darker, so I moved it up to 95. Looking at the histogram, as I said, I didn't usually do the contrast that much, and the highlights. I moved it up just to, moved it down to about 90, 75, or that's a good one there. Shadows, I brought it up to 41. The whites a little bit. I didn't really have to do much in the whites. In the blacks, not much. So then what you can do is, what I like doing is moving down the saturation and vibrance, or you can just hit the monochrome button for the profile. To me, I like the other way. And then what you do is, what I have to do, since I'm in Camera Raw, I moved it to as a smart object. I hold the shift button, open object, and I hit the adjustments. I use the layers, and I move it up just ever so slightly there. And there you have it. That's what I do. Thank you.